Gobi Manchurian. Make the best super delicious and crispy gobi Manchurian at home with this simple recipe. This Manchuria is served as a starter or as a side with noodles or fried rice. Hey guys, this is Ruhi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. So friends, let's quickly learn how to make this crispy Manchuria. Here I have taken a medium size cauliflower. We'll cut the florets into medium size and wash this twice or thrice thoroughly. To this add salt as per your taste. Add 1.5 tablespoon red chili powder, you can add as per your taste. And 1.5 tablespoon of pepper powder. Toss this everything until these florets are well coated with this masala. Now you can see here these florets are evenly coated. To this add 4 to 5 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 to 4 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. Add water little by little as needed and make a free-flowing batter without any lumps. The consistency should be medium and not too thick or very runny. Pick up each florets and with spoon or finger gently drop them one by one to the hot oil. The flame has to be medium initially and should be increased slightly as more gobi is added. Let it fry this for 2 to 3 minutes and then keep stirring with the help of a spoon. Fry until these florets turn golden brown in color. And yes, now we can take out in a plate with a tissue. This tissue helps to absorb extra oil. If you want extra crispy gobi, you can refry this in a hot oil. I fried this gobi in 2 batches. Repeat the same process with the other florets. You can see here how crisp they are. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and to this add finely chopped garlic and finely chopped ginger. You can also add finely chopped green chilies. Saute this for a minute or 2 and to this add half cup of finely chopped onions. Saute until these onions turn golden brown in color. To this add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 or 2 tablespoons of red or green chili sauce and 3 to 4 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. Saute for a minute and to this add corn flour mixed in water. Give it a good mix and add half cup of water. Mix well and to this add fried gobi Manchuria. Toss this until the sauces are well combined with this gobi. If you feel it is spicy, you can add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And finally, we'll add finely chopped spring onions. Toss this everything together. And that's it. Yummy and crispy gobi Manchurian is ready to serve. Friends, give this recipe a good try and post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and do share this recipe with your friends and relatives. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.